Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Tire looking a little flat? Today I'm going to show you how to check the pressure and add air if necessary. Let's get to work. What you're going to need is a tire pressure gauge. I like the old school analog ones because they don't use batteries. That way when I go to use it, it's going to work every time. Plus, it's cheaper. An air compressor with an air chuck. Now if you don't have a compressor and a chuck, don't worry. Your local gas station is going to have a tire filling station, and it'll look something like this. Put your car in park and turn it off. First step is to find out how much pressure our tires need. Now this isn't on the tire itself, but it's actually listed on your car in the driver's side door sill. You can see on this car the front is 32 psi and the rear is 32 psi. The pressures listed on the side of the tire are actually the maximum pressure that your tire can withstand. This isn't what you want to inflate your tires to. Locate your valve stem on your tire and unscrew the valve stem cap. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. At this point, you want to check your tire pressure. In order to check your tire pressure, you want to press the tire pressure gauge directly onto the valve stem. This takes a little bit of practice. Sometimes you'll hear air leaking out, but if you get the right angle, the tire pressure gauge should extend, and this readout will give you the pressure inside your tires. Inflating is the same as checking. Press your air chuck straight onto your valve stem. You'll be able to hear air inflating your tires. And while this is happening, it's a perfect time to like and subscribe to my video. This will give me the motivation to keep bringing you content. Now we're ready to do another final check. In this case, you can see the tire pressure is right around 34 psi. We're good to go. Screw the valve stem cap back on, and you're done. Now, if you don't have this equipment at home, head to your local gas station and find their tire inflation station. It'll have instructions listed on it. The basic principle is the same as I already showed you. This is the air chuck that they usually provide. The only difference with this chuck is that the pressure gauge is built into it. You'll notice when you push the chuck onto the valve stem, the pressure gauge will automatically engage. This will tell you how much air is in your tire. So while this is engaged, all you have to do is squeeze the trigger and your tires will inflate. When you're done, hang it back up and you're good to go.